rescuer? Sure. Okay. So same thing. We're gonna lose the axe belt.
I'm just gonna manhandle you like he did.
Why are you lifting your arms up, dude?
It's gonna be okay. It's my first time too.
You'll be doing it. Okay, so we're gonna convert the waist strap to a cross strap because we're gonna pull off of that harness.
Let's see if I can do this without moving him.
Okay, so cinch everything down. So underneath that radio pipe.
Helmet falling out. I think I just broke something. That's all right. There we go. All right.
Okay, so now you're gonna tie Lark's foot onto his shoulder straps.
Through both of them?
If you can,
In front of his head or behind his head?
behind. I don't think he'll appreciate it if you go in front of his face.
Will move your head?
If you can just get the one, that's fine. Okay, it's on the back of his helmet there. There you go.
Feel helpless. Oh! That's all right. That's all right.
Okay, so now you're gonna hook that carabiner onto your waist belt. Okay, so there's a couple ways that he can go about his drag. He can back up and simply drag him. If he needs to stay low, if it's smoky and hot, he can get all fours and just drag him out. You can spin over, the webbing go between your legs, and you're facing in the direction that you're going, and you just crawl out.
All right.
Oh,
that was cool.
Watch your nose, dude.
There you go. So
Big
he's on
black
your
hole in your
wall.
face, dude.
But see, it gets you some distance, right? So as he's pulling, he's not running up on your feet. Okay? Is it ideal? Absolutely not. But it's just another method or another way to do it. Okay? For you, it'd probably be easier just to turn around and back out and drag it. Okay? Cool. Okay, let's disconnect from that one. All right, Dan, you're gonna be my rescuer. Don't be my victim. Okay, so same operation, we're gonna loose the belt. We're gonna pull on the PSV harness again, so we're going to convert that strap. Get those as tight as you can get them. Okay, so now you're gonna come back up to his head. You wanna get him into a sitting position. Now you're gonna take your waist strap, you're gonna loosen it up, and you wanna go underneath his shoulder straps.
Call this one celebration, section 1.5.
Okay, now tighten down your waist belt, Dan.
It's called the Ken Baby Joey.
Okay, now stand up. Okay, if he has this tight enough, he can stand up and get his butt up off the ground and simply just back him out and walk with him. If not, he can get his hands in conjunction with the belt, get his hands underneath the shoulder straps, and out he goes. There you go. Where this works really well is up and downstairs.
Oh, real boy!
I go, did you go too, or?
He feels violated.
He felt so violated.
It's like,
Because he felt so helpless, like there was nothing you could do.
it's like 2 more seconds alone.
I'd love to be a victim.
Okay. All right, Kat, you want to be my rescuer?
Yes.
Okay, so this was just old school. Gonna put one leg up over the shoulder, get up close and personal with his business. Okay, the other leg that's to your right, put that between your legs.
It doesn't go much further than that.
So if you can, get your shoulder behind his knee, there you go. Now the reason that we control that other leg is if he shimmies to the right, he's gonna turn to the left.
Should I look away or should I be making eye contact?
You always make eye
Is it like
contact. Always make eye
comes
contact.
together?
Always make eye contact. I can't make it more simple. Okay, so now all he's gonna do is he's gonna drive with his legs and push him out.
Well, doesn't go much further than that.
Yeah, or not.
You're an animal.
You knew this was going to happen.
It's real slick.
Lay down.
Yes!
Yeah.
The first thrust.
Drive me.
Like so?
That's it.
Just a little bit harder.
Yeah.
We're going to have to like,
Leave me there.
Okay, we also have the axe and the Halligan. Again, if we're using the SCBA harness, we want to convert that strap. Simply run the Halligan or the axe handle behind the neck. Just be real careful when you guys are doing that, because your victim, is pretty vulnerable at that point. You don't want to do any damage to the neck. Okay. With our helmets, the traditional helmets, when we're doing these carries, that rear brim sticks way out. That helmet starts rocking forward, coming down the bridge of the nose, kicking the head forward. Also, shuts down the airway as well. So just take that into account. Well, I don't like taking the helmet off on the victim when I'm taking them out, especially if we're going downstairs or whatever. Just for safety reasons, because we're bouncing them.
What if you turned around?
We did that this morning, and it kind of worked.
I mean, it's not gonna be the most idyllic, but it would essentially shorten the.
It does, but this is taller, so you still kind of run into the same issue. Okay.
I fucking got wires that like